You know I love you, right? It's my first time ever vlogging inside of an airport. With that being said, we are going to Vegas. You guys excited?
Hell yeah. We outside, baby.
Tell them what we're doing. I'll let one of you guys announce the news.
We are going to be on a show called Banging Gears.
And where's it going to go live at?
It's going to go live, I don't know.
Amazon Prime, baby.
Oh, on Amazon Prime.
Amazon Prime.
It's going to be towards, I think, the end of the year. It'll be, the show is going to air towards the end of the year. I think it's a very big opportunity for us. This is our big break. We've been waiting for it. A lot of big YouTubers are going to be there. We're going to go out there. We're going to fucking put on a show for you guys.
I think
10. We got 10 episodes, right? Or they got 10 episodes, and we're episode numero uno, right?
I think the number one, hopefully, because we are the first people going there to shoot.
Yeah. We were supposed to race a Lambo, but did you find out what we're up against now? Because I guess I happened with the Lambo.
So the Lambo we were originally supposed to race a twin turbo Lambo Huracan, guy from Florida, but he ended up putting a rod through his block, whatever. So we are gonna race a Ferrari Pista. Supposedly it's like a 10-second car, but we are. I know Boosted Boys are going, like a whole bunch of big YouTubers are going, but we are the only Honda in that front wheel drive, all wheel drive platform, like old school Honda, if you know what I mean, that are going against all these other cars. I'm gonna try to race pretty much anyone that I can. We're on set for 3 days. We are staying out there for the week, but it should be exciting. I wanted to release the news in this video. The car is already on its way. We're gonna meet the car there as soon as we land, so we're gonna unload the car there on Sunday. We shoot on Tuesday. Man, this is crazy.
And the thing is too, we're doing drag racing and we're gonna be circuit racing.
And dyno.
And dyno.
Yeah, 4-wheel. So they're gonna put us on a 4-wheel hub dyno. So circuit racing, I guess, is first, and then I guess it's they choose the best lap out of, I guess, 5 or something. I'm not allowed to air the results, so you will not see the results until the show comes out. But like pretty much every big YouTuber is gonna be there, and then we are gonna do a drag race, and then like roll race and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm excited to get to LA, not LA, Vegas. What do they call it?
Viva La Vegas, or Vegas or something.
Yeah, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, and our pockets ain't empty. Hopefully somebody wants some smoke.
Yeah. I just want to ask, can you guys drop in the comments, why is everything so expensive in the airport? We just paid $100 each for us 3.
Yeah.
Or $120. Bottle of water is probably like $5.
How much was the coffee?
Like 20 bucks.
20 bucks, and we threw it away. We took one sip and it was awful.
Can someone drop in the comments why is it so expensive here at the airport? It was like insane. Like they literally make you throw everything out when you get here, and then when you get in here they charge triple the amount, which is insane. But we have a 6-hour flight to Vegas. I've never been to Vegas, and neither have them.
Nope. Bucket list right here, getting checked off.
Yeah.
It's like we're traveling back in time.
But we should be loading up in like an hour, and then we get to Vegas at night. I'll try to vlog as much as I can on the show. I got my GoPro with me. Hopefully they let me put it in my video. But like I said, I will get every single bit of this for you guys.
See you guys on the strip.
$5, $5.38 for a bottle of water. We're on the streets. You spent $100 for some fruit snacks and a bottle of water.
This was 30 bucks right here. Better be a good 30.
My boy got fresh.
I don't even know who he is right
My
now.
boy got the cement fours on. Got the Essentials hoodie. Got the watch on. Where you think you going, huh? You trying to look pretty for TV. How much you spent on that? 50 bucks?
Like fucking 20 bucks.
Yeah, how you pull this off, bro?
We rolling, we ain't walking. We rolling.
You would be the one to catch a ride.
We roll. You can tell I'm a little lazy. We walked this whole thing. Yeah. You know I love you, right? Te amo. Yeah, we outside?
Hell yeah, baby.
Yo, can I give you a kiss on the head?
No.
You should have just did it anyways.
I got him later.
Just because we going to fucking Vegas don't mean you can fucking kiss me.
You just wait till later. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Oh, you Vegas ready, huh? Yo, check my boy out.
Catch me on the strip.
He about to.
Yo, this shit tight, J-Rock.
What the fuck you get us?
Yo, J-Rock, you should have put us.
Economy?
Yeah, this shit ain't even comfort.
Yo, I can't even get the camera. This shit is not it. Like, we're in the back of the plane too.
You driving fucking NSX and shit. Put some fucking in the back of the plane. Cheap ass
You ain't booking no more flights up yet.
Yo, this. At least I got us all together, right?
But we are loading out of JFK.
On the way back, I don't know you. I'm sitting in the front.
I might catch us first class on the way back.
I'm gonna stay back here.
Ain't no way the first thing we see when we get to Vegas is a slot machine.
That's how you know you're in Vegas.
Slot machine, crazy. Alright, so we made it to Vegas, right? Couldn't find no hotels nowhere. So guess what Ahmed does, right?
You wanted to put us in a fucking Motel 6.
The most expensive hotel he found in Vegas. How much was it a night?
I don't even know. What's the name of this shit?
Bellagio.
Bellagio? Bougie is what it was. I think it's $1,000 a night, which is fucking insane. But we had no choice, literally, or we're driving around all Las Vegas. But this is just insane, huh? Yo.
Don't get me in trouble.
Yo, who's paying?
know.
Who's paying for this? Yo,
You are.
they got a Dior store in here. They got everything.
I'm not paying for it. I haven't spent $1 yet.
He's paying for it. All right, so we just got in our hotel room. What are your first thoughts?
It's just too nice for me.
Way too nice,
I
right?
belong in Motel 6.
This is bougie at its finest. Oh, where is the light in here? Yo, crazy.
This is the nicest hotel I've ever been in. Damn.
Cra-
Catch me having a bubble bath later.
Yo, this shit nicer than my house. Yo, insane.
This is crazy.
Yo, this is nice though. So the guy downstairs said if we moved any of these from the little wine bar, it cost, no, he said you only had 1 minute to put it back or you're getting charged for it. Crazy, right?
Oh, you're definitely getting charged for them shits.
Yo, where do we even put our own stuff though? That's how they get you. Let's check out this view.
This is a fucking nice hotel. Let's see the view.
I was down to
I
stay.
don't even want to break it. It's probably like buttons or something. It's crazy how flat it is.
Are you guys watching this? I don't want you guys to think that, hey, look, we had money. We had nowhere else to go, pretty much. Like we're gonna leave. I think we're only here for 2 nights.
This was literally by default.
Yes.
There was everything was booked out.
And what time?
Even
Oh.
when you found a hotel, it wasn't even the right hotel.
No. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning here.
But really,
what
it's
time?
4 for us.
It's like 4 o'clock in the morning for us.
The hallway is fire. This is like bougie at its finest.
Nice as fuck.
It's like some shit you just see in a movie. Alright, that's gonna be it for tonight. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow when we get to the racetrack when I unload my car. Is this what we do when we get to Vegas? What does that mean?
Wait, hold on. We heard you need some practice, right?
I need some practice for what's about to go down?
Did you have a road course you got to practice for?
I do.
Spread them cheeks like butter, baby.
What you guys got your money on? We putting money on this?
Me, yeah.
So I'll let you guys know what happens after this. But I'm gonna bust their ass. I'm gonna bust their ass. I think I'm the lightest one here out of the group.
It's a minimum buy-in.
I'm gonna show you guys my cart in a second.
$100 buy-in.
Alright, I'm with it. I'll tell you guys one thing. Things are crazy expensive in Vegas. But I'll tell you what. Yo, you don't got nothing on me, J-Rock. You don't got
I don't
nothing.
know what you over here lying to YouTube for. But really, don't edit this out because I'm going to clap them cheeks, bro. You and a man.
Can we put some
That's
money
it.
on this?
Yeah.
We could definitely, I think we should put like a $50 wager on it.
Shiesty season, baby.
Yo, $50? Yeah, $50 each person?
100.
100.
All right.
That's not, what do we get, 2? That's not a 2?
Well, how about this? Loser pays for steak dinner.
All right, I'm with that tonight because the steakhouses here are just insane. Everything is just super expensive. I think we spent like $400 last night on dinner, so we're about to see what happens. I blame my cart. I blame the cart.
2 carts. You got 2 different carts.
I blame.
What are you talking about?
Yo, I don't know if you guys ever been to a go-kart spot. My car was needing alignment. My tire was bald in the front light.
Real quick, I want to know. How's your neck feel?
yo, they pushed me into the wall. Him and my brother done passed me.
How the fuck did I get last if I finished before you?
I don't know. This go-kart shit was different. It was different. It was not like the same ones in Connecticut. But I think I came out on top. Well, no, Jordan won on one, Ahmed won on the other, and I came out in between on the other 2. Did that say first place?
Wait, which one are we going by? First race, right?
Nah, second race, baby.
I don't
I think
know.
we should calculate and do overall.
I think
No, but if you think about it, I got the best time though, 25.5. Jordan got a 26.0.
heavy ass. I don't know. It's go-kart. I blame the go-kart. It was electric. I think mine was low on charge, and then my tire was a little bit cambered. Yeah, it was crazy.
Yo, it sounds like you're reading off the excuse book from the Type R.
So steak dinner.
I'm gonna cut.
Steak dinner, right?
I'm gonna cut right here. I'm making this vlog basically this video. So I was excited yesterday. Most of you guys know my car left before us, and I never ever let anybody transport my car. So I was excited to get my car. Initially, today's Monday. I was supposed to get my car yesterday. I got like the worst news that I could have probably got is the transporter calls and said his transmission blew on the way up here. And funny that he said that because Jordan said that, and my boy Mike, my fabricator, said that there's so many hills here that trucks break here all the time. The car broke down, well, the truck broke down in New Mexico. Mind you, he has a nice truck. He had like a dually Silverado and had like 90,000 miles, 2-car enclosed. My car was supposed to be dropped off first, and I wanted to make sure that my car was here for the date that we had set. This morning he calls, well, over the weekend he said that he's going to try to find a rental truck. Our first instinct is no rental company is going to have a truck, a diesel truck, especially to pull a 2-car trailer. He had a Ford Bronco in it, and he had a motorcycle. So in my head, I'm thinking this is not going to happen at all. We made plans to take our rental car. He's 8 hours away from us. So we made plans to take our rental car, take a trailer, drive down, pick up my car, and come back up.
8 hours, right?
8 hours.
Each way.
And I love you guys for that because they were going to take the trip and be back here tonight, and then we'll be ready for the show tomorrow because we got to be on set tomorrow early. Thank God the transporter called me this morning, and I don't know how he got a truck at Enterprise that's a diesel.
That's crazy.
Which is insane because you can't get one back in Connecticut. I'll tell you that right now. You maybe have to like reserve it somewhere, but he found one this morning, and he dropped his truck off, I guess, at Chevy to get fixed just so he can drop the car off for us. And he is so dope for that. I'm so excited to get the car. We're supposed to get the car tonight. So we kind of ran into that. It got me super nervous because like we spent all this time to get the car ready, and we flew out here early, spent all this money on a hotel, like literally just waiting for the car to get here. And like for me to get news like that yesterday was just like kind of devastating, and it like sucked at the same time because like we did all this hard work to get here, and then the car wasn't going to be here. But now I guess the car is going to be here hopefully tonight at 9. I'm going to vlog the whole thing, show you guys the car. Make sure everything's in one piece, start it up, like make sure everything's good for tomorrow. Make sure it's clean. I'm still kind of bummed out because the car's still not here. But I've been texting him back and forth that he said he'll be here at 9 o'clock tonight. So let's hope it's going to be here tonight.
Fingers crossed. He made it over the hill, so fingers crossed. But yeah, it would have definitely sucked going through all that hard work and then just like the car not showing up from transport. I was stressed out. It's not even my car.
Yeah, and like we've been here the whole time, literally just waiting for the car. And like I can't wait to get on set. I can't wait to show everybody the car. Just to hear the news from the transporter was just I put the car up again for transport again. No one picked it up. So we were like, we got an Expedition. We're gonna put a trailer on it from U-Haul and drive down there.
We had like so many backup plans. Like we were literally gonna take the rental. We had to see if there was a hitch. We were trying to find like a trailer out there, or if we were gonna get a trailer out here. We hit up Ostrom. Thank God he was like, yo, if you want, you know, come out here, he'll give us a truck and trailer. So that was dope. But we had to get like a backup for the backup for the backup. But thank God this guy came through. Like, now I'm ready to party. I'm excited now.
So hopefully tonight we get the car.
So since like the stress level is kind of off our heads, can we really party? You know, like there was weight on us. Like we were trying to, you know, have a good time in Vegas, and the weight of that kind of like took away from it. So can we tonight, like?
You guys are missing one person. Yeah, we can do that. So Jamie's flying in here tonight. We're gonna pick him up from the airport. So our plan is to kind of like, I think Jamie's gonna come in around the same time we get the car. So we'll take Jamie from the airport
straight to wherever.
Straight to wherever, pretty much. But we're gonna get the car hopefully 9 o'clock tonight. I don't know whether to pick Jamie up before or after, but that's pretty much the plan. I just wanted to keep you guys updated, let you guys know this whole situation on what happened. And like, I don't know, our first time in Vegas, we don't know anyone out here. You know, can't really call too much people for help that you actually trust to transport your car, because you don't know who's who. You know, like so many people tried to help out. I made a post on Instagram like looking for transport, and like so much people reached out, but like you don't know people's intentions. Thank God this transporter came through.
Yeah. Shout out to him.
Yeah, shout out to him. So we'll see you guys tonight.